Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT and Printify to earn money online. What I'm going to show you in this video can be done completely from the comfort of your own home, and it can be done if you are a complete beginner. I'm going to show you step by step how to take advantage of this method using ChatGPT. Over the last month or so, I've made a few $1,000s using this method, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this yourself as well. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. For the very first step, we are going to go to chatgpt.com, which is not necessary, but it does definitely help to speed up the process. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me 20 different print-on-demand niche ideas that aren't oversaturated. Here's a list of all the different 30 t-shirt niches that it came up with. I'm going to choose pet lovers humor as our specific t-shirt niche that I'm going to use. I think it has the potential to be popular since a lot of people love animals. Now that we have our niche, we can move on to the second step. For this video, I'm going to be using Shopify to create our storefront, but you can feel free to use a different provider such as Etsy or TikTok Shop even if you're located in the US. As we can see on their website, they offer a 3-day free trial and 3 months for only $1 per month. So we could take advantage of this free trial so that we can set up a store for completely free. I'm going to start a free trial and then sign in with my email account. Now we have to choose where would you like to sell. I'm going to click on an online store since we're going to make an online storefront. I'm going to click on next. I'm not currently selling yet because we haven't started the store yet. We plan to sell print-on-demand products. For now, I'm going to skip this plan and just click on skip down here. Now we are at the Shopify dashboard and we can get started with creating our store. Down here is a list of different things that Shopify thinks we should do to set up our store. For this one right here, it will generate online themes for a store. All we have to do is put in what our store is about. I'm going to type in pet humor and then click on generate our custom theme. Now Shopify is going to come up with 3 different custom themes using AI that we can use for a store. Here's the theme that it came up with. Honestly, it looks really good for a store. I couldn't have done better myself. We can preview our theme here on what our actual website will look like. As we can see, there's no products in it yet since we haven't made any, but honestly, it looks really good. It looks like a professional pet website that we could use to upload our pet humor t-shirts. I'm going to go to a website called printify.com and sign up for it. If you've never heard of it before, it is a print-on-demand website that integrates with different services such as Shopify so that we can sell products and they handle all of the shipping and creating the product, etc. for a small cost that we have to pay. Now we're on the dashboard and we can click here to create our own product. Here's a number of different t-shirt designs that we could choose from. I'm going to choose this t-shirt here. Now we can use their AI tool to come up with different designs for us. Our store is around different pet humor, so I'm going to choose the vintage style, and then I'm going to ask it to create us a funny, humorous dog design. I'm going to click on generate image, and the AI is going to come up with an image for us that we can use. This is really key to making this easy to set up and do because you don't have to have any artist skills at all. Any beginner can just use their AI to create different t-shirt designs for completely free. Here's a design it came up with. I'm going to take it and just put it right onto our t-shirt. It's really that easy to get the design on your t-shirt. Now we can remove the background using their automatic background removal. Boom, there we go. Now the background's gone. I'm going to place this up here. Now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create 5 different funny, humorous dog lines that I could put into my t-shirt design. I'm going to take number 5 that says who needs therapy when you have your dog. We can copy this. I'm going to go to add some text. I'm going to do this font because it kind of matches our logo and then paste in this funny one-liner that it gave us. Here's our completed t-shirt design with this little line here saying who needs therapy when you have a dog. We can add some different colors that we can sell as well. I'm going to click on as many colors as possible. That way we have some variety in case people like different options. I'm going to click on save product. There we go. Now our t-shirt's done. We have a unisex garment dyed t-shirt with this dog design on it, available in tons of different colors. Okay, I'm going to click on start publishing. So we can optimize our listing with AI. I'm going to agree to doing that. We can see some different mock-ups that it gave us here. We can choose between these different designs. I'm going to choose that one. I think it looks the best. Right here in this highlighted section, we can use AI to make a title and description for us about our humorous dog. And then I'm going to put in our quote. And now it's going to create a title and a description ready-made for us to use. Here we go. Here's the title it came up with. Now we can move on to the next part. We make about $8 for a small size t-shirt being sold in USD, which is pretty good profits for this silly looking dog shirt. For me, I'm going to make the price cheap, since once we have a lot of reviews and our store is more established, we can make the prices more expensive when we have a dedicated fan base. When you have no customers, it's hard to get the ball rolling, so offering cheap prices can be one way to start that process. Here's a preview of our brand new product that we just made on our website. We can see that this design looks really good in all the other colors besides black. This red color here, you can see the text. We've got all different sizes, all different colors, all of our product features, everything's laid out in the description. We have a title, everything's ready so that people can buy our t-shirt already. Obviously, on your own website, you'll probably want to customize things to exactly how you want them. For me, I'm going to leave our website like this for now, and we're going to move on to step number 4. Step number 4 is probably the most important part of this whole process, since if you neglect this step, you're not going to succeed with this method. If you use Shopify to create your store, unfortunately, there's no organic traffic that's going to be coming to your store, unlike if you use a different website such as Etsy. Etsy sometimes promotes shops naturally through their search, so you have the chance of getting discovered even if you're not promoting your website at all yourself. With Shopify, this isn't the case, so we're gonna have to get traffic to our website ourselves. I'm gonna show you the best method that you can use to get traffic to your shop, so stick around because you don't want to miss this. The best way that I found to get traffic to my Shopify stores is through using SEOwriting.ai. If you've been to my channel before, you may have heard of this website already. If not, it's an AI software that allows you to create different blogs, and there's a link in the description to sign up for it. On their dashboard, we can see all of these different options for creating different blogs using SEOwriting.ai. The option that we're going to be using today is this lightning fast one-click blog post option that allows us to create a blog post really quickly and effectively. I'm going to click on the one-click blog post option. Now we can type in what our blog's going to be about in this main keywords section. I'm going to type in 10 of the best unique pet product stores. You're going to want to change what you type in depending on what niche you chose for your store. For me, it's going to be on pet product stores. I'm going to click on generate a title, and it's going to create a title for us here. Discover the 10 best unique pet product stores. Down here, we can see the different core settings that we can change. For article size, I'm going to leave it as medium. For AI model, it's up to you which AI model you use. I would recommend that you use the GPT-4 mini model. Down here, this is where we have to fill out some important information in this details to include section. I'm going to include the name of our Shopify store, which is Pet Humor Shopify Store, about funny pet joke t-shirt designs. And then I'm going to paste in the link to our Shopify store. That way, SEOwriting.ai is going to include details about our Shopify store that we made within the blog that it's going to create. I'm going to scroll down a bit all the way to where it says connect to the web. I'm going to choose yes and make sure that the search source is set as real-time search source. Now we can scroll back to the very top and click on run. Now it's going to create an article for us, and it's going to take probably 5 to 10 minutes depending on how fast your machine is, and it's going to create us an AI article completely for free that we can use. Once the status turns to a green check mark, we know that the article is now complete, and we can click on it and go through it. It's got this pet store image here, and we can see it's referencing all kinds of different information, and it's created a perfect article for us. If you're not happy with the result it gave you, you can always create multiple different articles, since you can create multiple articles for completely free. I'm going to go down to where it mentions our Shopify store here. It says Pet Humor Shopify Store, a fun twist on pet apparel. As we can see, it says some incorrect information here that we have over 500 reviews. So I'm going to delete this section here. You might have to fine tune some of your article since it's not perfect and it can make mistakes. It also did not include the link to our Shopify store. So I'm going to say check out their unique store today and put a small call to action with our Shopify link, and make sure that it's embedded as a link. That way it's easy to use. We just have to click on insert link here, and then it will be highlighted and people can use it when they click on it. Now we can go to the very top of the page and click on copy to copy over our article. For this last and final step, we are going to go to medium.com. Medium's a website where you can post the different blogs and articles for completely free, and it's really easy to use with SEOwriting.ai, so it's perfect for uploading our blogs that we create with SEO Writing. Make sure that you sign up for Medium, and once you're signed up, you can click on right in the top right corner here, and we'll be brought to this page where we can paste in our SEO Writing blog. When you paste in the blog, we can see that all the words are here, but it is missing the images. I'm going to have to right click on our pet store image and save the image as to my computer. That way we can bring it back into our Medium document. If you don't do this, you won't have any of the images carried over to your Medium article. All we have to do is find exactly where the picture was in our original article and click on it and open it, and now it's back into our article once again. I'm gonna do the same thing with the second image. I'm not entirely happy with the image it gave us. We can click on this redo button here, and it's gonna create a brand new image for us. Here's the new image it came up with. I'm gonna change this one again because I don't really like it. We can keep doing this as many times as we want until there is a good image. Here's a good looking image. I'm gonna go back to edit and then save this image as well. Now we need to remember exactly where it is in the article because sometimes it can be difficult to remember where the image actually was supposed to be. Okay, now I'm gonna look for that same text that I highlighted earlier. There we go, the image was inserted right here. I'm gonna go into my files and paste in the image. There we go, now we have a successful blog that we can use to direct traffic directly to a Shopify store that we created, so that we can earn money using Printify and ChatGPT online in 2025. Thanks for watching.